Leetcode daily challenge. Question 2946. Matrix similarity after cyclic shifts. This question is asking us to check if a shifted matrix is equal to the original one. This is an easy problem, but there are gonna be two useful tricks we can use for general programming skills. The first one is how do we shift a list to either left or right. Obviously we don't do it k times. What we can do is we split this list into two sublists based on the number of k. In this case, we can just rearrange these two sublists into, say, LB and LA. This is the way we shift the original list with k values. The second one is how do we set a default value for return. Obviously there could be two options, true or false. In this case I'll go with the true one, because to solve this problem we're gonna go through all the rows in this matrix, but at each checkpoint it could be a false. Once there's a false, we're gonna stop the loop, and same for all the other rows. This is why if there's no false, the default return will be true. But anyway, that's the solution we're gonna use to solve this problem.